If you followed along on our channel at all, you know we love working with plywood, and today is no exception. We've built a lot of things from plywood, including like 5 separate benches. So be sure to check out the whole playlist. We'll link to it probably somewhere over here. I love the look of natural plywood with the layers showing, but today's project has a more traditional, polished look to fit with any style. Whether you're modern, rustic, farmhouse, or traditional, this is a great project. Our contributor Shara from the Woodshop Diaries built this simple wood chest from just 1 sheet of plywood, and it's a beautiful project for a beginning builder. Use it to store pillows, board games, toys, blankets, and I don't know what else. What would you store in it? Let us know in the comments below. To get started building, first get the free printable building instructions over at Remodelaholic.com. Following the building plan, cut the plywood down to rough size with a circular saw and then trim the 4 box side pieces to the dimensions listed in the plan using a table saw with the blade set at a 45-degree angle. The mitered corners on each end give it a really clean finished look to the chest. Now use a straight edge and a round object like a roll of tape to trace a rounded edge along the top of the front piece. Cut it out with a jigsaw. This will prevent the lid smashing fingers when it's closed. Sand the pieces to a smooth finish. To give the wood chest a really nice finished look, Shara next applied glue-on edge banding to the top edges of each of the sides. Follow the instructions on the package to iron it on. Shara recommends using tin foil between the iron and the banding to protect the iron from glue and ultimately your clothes if you ever actually use an iron. Next, lay out the side pieces with the miters facing up and apply wood glue in the grooves. Stand the sides up and line the mitered corners. Use bar clamps and brad nails to hold the corners in place. Then quickly add the bottom of the box. It should be a snug fit. Carefully attach the bottom with screws and clamp the box sides using a band clamp or a ratchet strap. Fill the corners with putty for a nice, smooth finish. Use a table saw set at 45 degrees to cut 4 corner supports from a 2x board. You could use an entire 2x2 if you'd rather, or you can use a 2x4. Cut to length, then glue and nail them in place in each corner of the chest. Sand the putty and any other imperfections on the base of the chest. And now let's pretty this up a bit. Cut lengths of baseboard trim to fit the bottom of the box with mitered corners for a polished look. Glue and nail them in place. Next, cut the top of the box according to the cut list. You can see that Shara is using a circular saw with a guide as an alternative to a table saw. Apply edge banding to the lid and stain the lid and the box. Shara used Minwax Early American. It's one of our favorite, not too dark and not too light, medium stains. And it goes with just about everything. Now it's time to seal the chest with polyacrylic or the sealer of your choice. After the stain and the sealer have dried, attach the piano hinge to the top and then to the chest. Add soft close hinge supports for extra finger safety. Now you can fill up your beautiful wooden chest. Shara also added some really lovely handles to the sides for a beautiful finishing touch. This chest makes a great addition to any room. Tell us, where would you like a chest like this? You guys, thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and don't miss any of our weekly videos. Click here to see more awesome plywood projects, including this great modern outdoor sofa sectional. We also have another awesome trunk chest that can be used as a coffee table or extra seating, so be sure to check that out here. And we will see you next week. Bye guys.